Hi friends, now we're going to discuss functional dependent problems. Already first what we done actually Jacobians means what JJ dash type we done some problems we explained, you can go home and attack. Now these problems we what find the functional relation between, they will go u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus x by v is equal to c. Seeing this, can you are able to find out what any relation, if they ask functional relations what you can, okay, third property I can use. So first what you will do using this problem, dou of uv by xy is equal to 0, you automatically will get, happily you will reach. But relation how you will find out. See, seeing this how nicely given x plus y 1 minus x y, some relation is there, tan inverse x, tan inverse y. If you expand tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, what you will get? Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x. Reached or not? Happily we are reaching. So how I will do? V is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. This how we will get? Tan inverse of v. But this fellow what? Who is this fellow? V is equal to tan inverse u. If you bring this side means what? Tan v is equal to u. Proved. Happily I reach. Similarly, this you can see. This is also same story. This is solid question. U is equal to in terms of x, y, v. This is there. It's nicely see. X square, y square, z square is there. X, y is there. Y, z is there. Z is there. X plus y. Any flashing any formula in my mind. Think. A plus b plus c whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2. Okay, somewhat we are really okay, a square b square c square there, b 2bc means what 2 is okay, I can do. It's not a big thing. First what you will do, this condition you can prove, happily you will get 0. Once if you get the 0 means what, you have to prove what, this is equal to functional dependent, you have to find relation between w is equal to in terms of uv, v is equal to in terms of some relation you have to find out. For that you can think, when seeing the problem you can say okay, if I able to write w square is good, who is w here? Now w square is what? Expand slowly, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Or 2 you can take outside. Okay, don't confuse, I will write 2 like this, z like this. Maybe my writing is somewhat bad writing, try to understand. So from this how nicely I can write. Who is this fellow? X square, y square, z square, v. This fellow is what? X square plus y z plus zx is what? U minus 2u. See how nicely I plus 2u, sorry. W square is equal to v minus 2u is equal to 0. See how nicely I am getting. See, everything they are giving you very easily only. You only feel very tough. It's not a tough, not at all tough. See how nicely they framed x, y, z, x square, x square. Everything, mass everywhere you can go. What we have just juice only. They have done lot of research work and they are giving juice only. That also we are not able to drinking. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching my TV, my video. Kindly subscribe to live our channel and soon we can start live stream classes. Directly we can have a classes access from your home directly, then you can ask doubts also. This is the trial basis we have started. We hope we go forward. Bye.